Most manufacturers think ISO 9001 is about quality. It's not. It's about structure. It's about consistency. It's about proof. And none of that works without IT. Let's simplify ISO 9001. It requires you to show documents are controlled, processes are consistent, records prove work was done correctly, issues are fixed, improvement is ongoing. That's it. But here's the problem. Many plants try to manage this with shared drives, spreadsheets, and paper logs. That might pass one audit. It won't scale. When IT is not aligned with quality, you start to see cracks, multiple versions of procedures, missing records, manual data entry between systems, audit stress that disrupts production. ISO 9001 doesn't fail because the quality team isn't working hard. It fails because systems aren't structured. Now let's look at what changes when IT leads. First, document control, a centralized system, approval workflows, access controls, version history. No more outdated procedures floating around the factory floor. Second, process consistency. When approved workflows are embedded into ERP or MES systems, people don't rely on memory. The system enforces consistency. That's what auditors want to see. Third, data integrity. Strong IT governance ensures records can't be altered improperly. Retention policies are enforced. Backups are validated, access is controlled, audit readiness becomes routine, not reactive. ISO 9001 also requires risk-based thinking. You can't manage risk without reliable data. When systems are integrated correctly, you can see trends early, you can track corrective actions, you can perform real root cause analysis. Improvement becomes measurable, not anecdotal. Here's what I've seen repeatedly. Audit problems rarely start in the quality department. They start at the leadership level. When ISO 9001 is treated as a quality project, IT gets involved too late. Compliance becomes fragile. But when leadership aligns IT, quality and operations, compliance becomes operational discipline. Sustainable systems are the goal. If you're preparing for ISO 9001, start by evaluating your IT structure. Because audit readiness starts with IT leadership.